Good morning, everyone. Today I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on business card. By the way, my name is Sonitech Emmanuel. I'm the CEO of Sonitech Media. I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on how to design a business card. So you're gonna be working based on the fashion business card, a company that sells suits to clients. So we are gonna be doing some jobs for them. Like a sample is not really a big work, but it's something that you can work on. Now I'm gonna be using Corel X8. Corel X8. So if you're using any higher version or lower version, just follow the process and trust me, you're gonna get it. So I'll create a new document. Okay. Now the size we use is 3.5 by 2.2 inches. So once it's there, double click on the rectangular tool to give the shape of the rectangle or to fit into the page, so that you will know you will get the exact size, which is 3.5 by 2.0. So I remove the outline, give it a white fill. So now we say we are going to be designing a suit business card. We're going to deal on suit. Now the concept here is that within this area we're going to be giving it is this the suit and the tie and the white shirt collar. This music because this they deal on corporate. So we're going to be working based on the suit. We're going to be adding the suit effect, the tie effect, and the white shirt collar effect. So first, let me create a V shape of suits, because we all know that suits have V shapes on them. So convert this to curve. I'll control Q, then double click here. We're trying to get a V shape. Let's put it to the middle. No, if it's there, zoom in. We'll take it. Yeah. Now click on the grid line, remove it. So now we've done this thing. Now we are going to be creating the suit, the tie and the collar. But first, let's work on the collar. We use the rectangular tool. Also we draw a line here, and let's remember the collar has to be in form of an inverted V. Okay, let's work on it. I'll work on it. You see it. With the shape tool, you convert it to curve, then you drag it from this side, you drag it to this side, then you now click in the middle, then you take it off. This is it. So we're going to be bringing it off our line to make sure that it's in the middle. It's not in the middle, so we'll fix it up to the middle. Now this is it. You can equally bring this down, like if you're not satisfied with it, just walk around your creativity. Discover that you can do it. Now let's check if this ends on the same line. This one should go up a bit. With the shape tool allows you to work within the environment of it, to manipulate objects in CorelDRAW. So now we're going to be creating, because everything we are doing now is the skeleton. Let's save to avoid stories that touches the art. So corporate business card. Now we're going to be creating the shape tie of it. So we're going to be using our pen tool, because pen tool will help us to get it very well. So from here to this place, then from here to this place, then get it. Now remember, don't stress yourself trying to get it equally, because after this you're going to use the shape tool to manipulate everything to make sure it comes to the center and everything aligns at the same space. So as you can see now, I'm bringing in my grid line to make sure that everything works out perfectly. Yeah. Now I'm going to be sending this to the middle. Remember that this is the skeleton. There is always room for adjustment. So you can see this is not the middle yet. So what do we do? Yes, now it's okay like this. But during our work, we can still look at it. If we are not confident with it, we can still change it. Now let's give our background color. We're going to be using what kind of suit color we're going to be using. We're going to be using, let's use a blue suit. Let's do a blue suit. So we'll now go here, we'll select, I'm going to be using an RGB color, but if you are printing it, try to use the CMYK over the side. I brought out my RGB because I do most word templates. So now give it a color. Let's give our shape, our internal shape, a white fill so we can see it. Yes. So now give it a blend of deep. From the deep, we will now select the interactive fill tool. We use the elliptical fountain fill. Click on it. Then from the middle, you're going to be giving it a light color. Hope you understand. Or we can still give this one a dark color and give it, you know, anyone that works out for you well. You can work on reducing the opacity. So now come up with this, bring it in a bit so we can see it. Now we've come up with this. Now let's work on getting, okay, first of all, let me change my background environment to white so that for those of us that will have issues with it, so it won't be a pressing issue. So change the workspace to white. Okay, I believe it's bright enough for you now. So now let's work on the inside. This has to be white. Let's give our suit the red color effect. We send it to back. Control page down. We send the suit to the back of this white color. You've seen it. So we can equally give this one will be white, but we believe that the shirt should be white in color. So, okay. Remove the outline. Okay. Now, for us to make sure that this color comes out well, we'll give it the drop shadow effect on it. Drop shadow to go here. You can just drag it down. Hope you've seen it. So once you drag it down, there's an effect. We will now break it. Now convert it to bitmap. Convert it to bitmap. Then after converting to bitmap, let's use our shape tool. We send it in to fit into the page, so it won't be rough. So as you can see now, we've created something that looks like a suit. It looks corporate and it looks magnificent in the eyes, which is the best thing to do. Now what we have to do, let's remember to save. Then we're going to be adding, you can now put your brand name. So your brand name, let's use the font Zlap Nitro. Just remember that this is just a template. So once we add this, here is going to be our business name. Then there is going to be our motto. So once you add your motto, if you have any, then you know how a business card looks like. Here you can now add your logo if you have any. So once you add your logo to this place, then the CEO's name can come here. CEO name, that is where it's gonna be. Then at the downside you can now add your address, everything about the company. If it's a one face business card, if it's two face business card, you just swap it, give it the background, or you can make it a white background, and you find out that your work will look very very nice. I trust that you've learned something from today's tutorial, and remember, if you have questions, send it to me to senditech@gmail.com, senditech@gmail.com. And if you've not liked my YouTube channel, please do like my YouTube channel and subscribe to it, and click the bell icon to get more notification on new tutorials. And if you have any question or you have anything you want us to work on, just contact us and we'll do the tutorial and we'll send it to you, either CorelDRAW or Photoshop. Thanks, and see you next time.